Powder coating system adopts high-efficiency large bag cyclone recovery technology. Rapidly recovering powder via cyclone separation. High-efficiency recovery system. Waste powder will enter the secondary recovery filter cartridge device. Waste powder enters the waste powder box. Minimize environmental impact. The recyclable powder enters the powder supply center barrel and, together with new powder, enters the reciprocator spray guns for spraying. Ensures a powder recovery rate of over 98%. Significantly reduce production costs. High-efficiency cyclone recovery technology.